Okay, my name is Samuel Ayo. I'm the CEO, Ifixit Technologies. And Ifixit is, I know many people have questions, what is Ifixit about and everything. I think even right now, you still have that in your mind, like Ifixit. Okay, Ifixit is your number one tech gadget store you can ever have. And it's in Nigeria now, and we are available both online and we also have our offline office, which is in GRA, that's 2B General Diri. Okay, I please next slide. Okay, these are the things we do at iFixit. We we deal on laptop and desktop maintenance, and we also purchase your computer gadgets and computer networking and hardware installations. All right. So if you need any of these services, we are the right person to contact. And if you have any issues with your computers at all, I fix it. Thank you.